Welcome to ultimatedrumming.com. I'm Jim McCall. I'm going to show you this really cool sounding double paradiddle combination. First I'm going to play it for you, then I'm going to break it down note by note and show you how it works. A 1, a 2, a 3. When playing these really cool sounding paradiddle patterns, you got to be thinking the double paradiddle. The sticking on the double paradiddle is right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now I'm playing these in an eighth note triplet form, so I would count these evenly, 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 evenly. But since the sticking for the double paradiddle is a little bit tricky, it makes sense to say the sticking out loud as you play it while trying to maintain the triplet feel. I'm going to play it on the snare drum. It's going to go like this. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Evenly, 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 evenly. In this paradiddle pattern, I'm playing between the snare drum and the closed hi-hat. Right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum. I'm going to play the paradiddle sticking. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right. The bass drum is going to be matching the right hand on the hi-hat. They're going to be playing in unison. It's going to go like this. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now you want to try to pick up a little bit of speed once you get comfortable with this. It's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. A great way to practice this would be to play 2 measures double paradiddle, 2 measures shuffle beat. 2 measures double paradiddle, 2 measures shuffle beat. Go like this. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Another excellent sounding rhythmic combination you could add to your drumming repertoire. I'm Jim McCall. Thanks for using ultimatedrumming.com.